Every day, potential customers visit your website and have a look around, just like if they had wandered into a store. Unfortunately, you're not sure who they are or what they want. Adding the tracking code to your website is one of the first steps in engaging Autopilot. This feature allows you to track all unknown and known visitor activity and unlocks key features including forms and proactive heads-up. Let's get started. To start with, navigate to the Settings panel of your Autopilot dashboard and then select the tracking code. From here, select the web page tracking code. This code can be used across all of your web properties. To add it, simply copy the code and then paste it into the head tag of every page that you want Autopilot to track, like so. No, stop. What are you doing? Not like that. You have to do it like this. Finding the head tag of your web pages will differ across website creation tools. Back in Autopilot, we have step-by-step instructions that you can email to yourself or a member of your technical team. Simply select here and type in the email address. Once the tracking code has been placed successfully on your web pages, you will start to see the activity feed in your Autopilot dashboard fill up with user activity. If an unknown customer fills out forms or responds to a message, they become known. All of their previous activity, as well as their future activity, will be associated with their contact. And with that, you're ready for takeoff. The tracking code unlocks it all.